Hi viewers, today in this video let's see the case study of Netflix, how they use the data analytics to overcome the challenges. For your better understanding, I have made this video with English subtitles. Before going to this video, I request you to subscribe to 5 Minutes Learning channel in YouTube to get the video updates on time, and please click the bell icon below so that you don't miss any videos from me. Now let's move to the case study. Netflix started its video streaming from the year 2007. They had understood the power of data and invested on data analytics. Their innovation was focused mainly on two things: data analytics and logistics. They reached 94 million subscribers by 2016 and 100 million by 2018. Its video streaming consumes 37% of downstream internet bandwidth during prime hours. They used analytics to know the customers, like what their customers watching, how much time do they spend watching, what content do they watch, location of the user, what time they watch the content, etc. All these data are captured by Netflix to know exactly what the user wants and what they have to do in order to retain the customer. The digital transformation in Netflix can be seen in two ways. One is technology, which deals with the massive use of new technology, and the second one is data analytics. Netflix spending is mainly on artificial intelligence to make content spending decisions. It shows that AI saves $1 billion every year. Netflix improves its algorithm and uses them to reduce the human intervention in programming decisions. Netflix operates its own CDN, which helps to save bandwidth cost content being accessed from the same region across multiple consumer groups. Netflix have backup of contents on Google Cloud Storage. In case any mishandling of data, it can recover the data in hours. Netflix data analytics shows the company what the customer prefer watching, and it gives you the recommendation of the content for users to watch. One example is Netflix House of Cards, which started on the Feb 1st, 2013, was licensed by Netflix based on the data analysis done by Netflix. They have observed that viewers who liked House of Cards were fan of Kevin films and liked the movies directed by David Fincher. Netflix have algorithm to predict and understand the user preference, so they bet on licensing House of Cards, which turned to be accurate and brought them a huge success. Data analytics has made Netflix leader among its competitors. Netflix receives better advantage from data analytics among its competitors. Netflix does not believe in spending on the pilot episodes. Pilot episodes are the small episodes of the series of movies which are shown to viewers before it gets released, so that the company can determine the success rate of the show. But Netflix uses data analytics to determine the likelihood of the show's success. Thus, the success rate of Netflix shows are 80%. Netflix provides customers with the personalized experience. It shows that 75% of Netflix viewing are driven by recommendation algorithm. Their use of data analytics to predict the success rate of the shows has helped them to reduce the cost on promotional advertisements and campaign budgets. Netflix invests in lots of algorithms to provide a flawless movie experience for its users. One of such algorithm is recommendation system, which is used to provide suggestions for its users. This system understands the need of the users and provides suggestion of the various cinematographic products based on their users' liking and preferences. A recommendation system takes the user's information as input, which can be in the form of past usage of product or ratings that were provided to the product. Then it processes this information to predict how much the user would rate or prefer the product. For this, it uses various machine learning algorithms. Another important role of recommendation system is to search for similarity between different products, especially in case of beginner users. The Netflix will not have much of data available about the user to generate recommendation. So the recommendation system searches for movies that are similar to the movies that you have watched and provides recommendation of movies with similarities. There are two main types of recommendation system. One is content based recommendation system, which in which the background knowledge of product and customer information are taken into consideration. Based on the content that you have viewed earlier in Netflix, it provides you with similar suggestion like same genre, etc. Second one is collaborative filtering recommendation system. It provides a recommendation based on similar profile of users. One key advantage here is it is independent of the product knowledge. Rather, it relies on the users with a basic assumption that what the users like in the past will also like it in the future. Example, if a person A watches crime, sci-fi and thriller genre, and a person B watches sci-fi, thriller and action genres, the decision here is A will also like action and B will also like crime genres. Third type of recommendation system is the hybrid recommendation system. Netflix make use of this recommendation system, which is a combination of both content and collaborative technique in order to suggest content for its users. Let's see how the Netflix resolved its recommendation problem using data science. Back in 2006, when Netflix wanted to tap into the streaming market, it started off with a competition for movie rating prediction. It announced a prize of $1 million to whoever increased the accuracy of their existing platform, Cinematch, by 10%. At the end of the competition, the Belker team presented their solution and increased the accuracy of prediction by 10.06%. For this solution, they made use of k-nearest neighbor algorithm for post-processing of the data. Then they implemented the factorization model, which is popularly known as singular value decomposition, for providing an optimal dimensional embedding to its users. They also made use of restricted Boltzmann machine for enhancing the capability of the collaborative filtering model. A linear combination of these two algorithms reduced RMSE to 0.88. Even after this, Netflix faced two challenges. One, the data that is provided during the competition consists of only 100 million movie ratings against the 5 billion rating that Netflix consists of. Second, these algorithms were static, means they only deal with historical data and does not take into consideration the dynamicity of users adding review in real time. After Netflix overcome these challenges, it made the winning algorithm a part of its recommendation system. In this slide, let's see how Netflix improves the personalization experience for its users. Netflix uses ranking algorithms to provide a ranked list of movies and TV shows that appeal to its users. However, with the presence of various ranking algorithms, it is often difficult to accommodate all of them and test their performance simultaneously. Netflix decides to innovate its algorithmic process, so Netflix implemented the interleaving technique in order to speed up the experimental process to identify the best ranking algorithm. This technique is applied in two stages to provide the best ranking page algorithm and also to provide the personalized recommendation to its users. Unlike the traditional A/B testing, where the two groups of viewers are exposed to the two ranking algorithm, Netflix make use of interleaving to blend the ranking of algorithm A and B. Thus, Netflix users are provided with enriched content using interleaving technique that is highly sensitive towards ranking the algorithm quality. Thank you viewers. We'll see you soon with another case study. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of my videos.